arrived on the island of Capri. We came in overnight into Naples, the port of Naples, on the Queen Victoria, Cunard's Queen Victoria. Fantastic voyage overnight, very smooth. And now we're making our way up to Anna Capri at the top, avoiding the funicular, which everybody queues for, but 3 boats came in, bit mad. So we're going to top. We'll show you some of the views from there, but look at this. This is amazing. We've arrived. We're in Anna Capri. Good? Very nice. Nice. Good. Okay, so here we go. We're going up in a chairlift now. Did I mention that I'm absolutely terrified of heights? I've mentioned that quite a few times. So here we go. I'm obviously just going to have to overcome it. Did I mention I'm scared of heights? Hey! Brilliant! Well, do you know what? I think actually that wasn't that terrifying because I couldn't actually see behind me. The way down could be a bit different. Let's walk to the top and let's take in these fantastic views. Walk up here. Oh my word. First reaction?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Thanks, boss. Woo! We're away. Oh man, that is amazing. Woo!
But if you want, you can catch this way and follow this way.
All the way from up there. Time for a limoncello
And sit down.
and a sit down. Limoncello and a sit down. Let's find somewhere. My calf muscles are killing me. Limoncello? The thing to eat in Capri, right? Okay, so after taking in the beautiful sights of Capri, at the top of the chairlift we went back down the chairlift, and then Claire had this fantastic idea of which was very challenging, very challenging, a lot of steps, and my legs are ready to fall off. So we're having lunch now and a well-earned beer, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.